In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate quartiles, interquartile range, and the upper and lower fences to identify whether the data set has outliers. I have already opened our data set here into StatCrunch, and so I'm ready to do the calculations. These are still statistics for the column, and so I'm going to use summary stat for columns. Select my variable, and then the quartiles, the first, second, and third quartile are denoted as Q1 is the first quartile. The second quartile is actually the median that we calculated, one of our measures of central tendency. And then the third quartile is Q3. Remember, we can select all of those by holding Control after we've selected the first one. It's also asking for interquartile range, so I'm going to go ahead and click on IQR. You can then press Compute. So note my first quartile is 1.95. I would note that while StatCrunch does not give you the option to select Q2, Q2 is our median, and so when it asks for Q2, you're going to have to use the median. So that's 3.625. And then our Q3 is 5.125. Our IQR, which would be Q3 minus Q1, is 3.175. Now, the next part of this question asks for the lower and the upper fence. That is something that StatCrunch cannot calculate for you. To do those, you're going to have to use formulas. And so this particular slide shows you the formula for the lower fence and the upper fence. The idea is that the data for the first quarter should not extend out more than 1.5 of the width of the middle 50% of the data, that is the IQR, or extend more than 1.5 times the IQR above the third quartile. So these two formulas you will need on the test when you get ready to take them or quiz. StatCrunch will not calculate them for you.